Hello children, today I want to give you revision of letter writing once again, because if you will not follow the correct format of letter, then your marks will get cut. Okay, so I will write in a copy itself so that it is more clear to you where you have to leave lines, where you have to put commas, full stop, and you have to start from the margin always. Okay, so as I will tell you, you have to follow the same format children. Again I am repeating, as I will write, you have to follow the same format of letter writing, otherwise your marks can get cut. Okay, but before that children, one more thing I want to tell you, that in English writing, okay, when you will get the sheet, okay, the single sheet you will get, single sheet you will write, you will not leave lines children. Okay, suppose here you write English writing and then you start writing, don't leave lines, line छोड़कर नहीं लिखना है. Okay, you have to do English writing without leaving lines. And also in paragraph, while writing the paragraph also, first you will put the heading of the paragraph here. Okay, suppose example you're writing my favorite storybook, so you will write here my favorite storybook. Heading is very important, don't skip heading, otherwise your marks will cut. Okay, so here you will write the heading of the paragraph and then you will start writing the paragraph. In paragraph writing also children, don't leave lines. Clear? In paragraph and in English writing, you will not leave lines. Line छोड़कर नहीं लिखना है. So now I am going to tell you how to write letter. Once again, we will revise it. Okay, children. So let's start. Okay, children. So your letter is, question is, write a letter to your father asking for money to purchase books. Okay, this is your question for second term letter writing. Write a letter to your father asking for money to purchase books. So you are not going to write question obviously. And how will you start? First of all, see children, this is the margin. Remember that you will not leave space after the margin in any of the lines. Okay, just beside the margin you will start writing. So first of all you will write the address. Okay, sender's address is to be written. So you will write here capital G, okay, it should be capital, Gorakhnath, okay, and below that you will write Gorakhpur, again capital G, okay, and the spelling should be correct. See, no comma, full stop, nothing here. Okay children, and just I have not, please don't start writing from here. I have started from here, don't leave space here. So Gorakhnath, Gorakhpur. Okay, after that you will leave one line children. If you will not leave line, your marks will be cut. So after leaving one line, here you will write the date, and children, date you will write the same date on which you are giving exam. जिस दिन आप exam दे रहे हैं वही same date आपको लिखना है. Okay, just remember this. So today's date is 19th November. I am revising today. It is 19th. So 19th. Okay, and TH will be here children, remember. Okay, don't write TH here. Okay, I'll just give you example here. Don't write like this. This is wrong. Okay, 19th and TH should be on the this line, base line, TH. 19th and today is November. Capital N. Okay, November. The first letter of the month should be with capital. This is a proper noun. And then year 2020. See, no commas, nothing here. After that also no comma. Okay, after writing date, again you will leave one line. Okay, after writing date you will leave one line, and again from here, after leaving one line from the margin, you will write dear, capital D. Okay, dear father, capital F, F-A-T-H-E-R, father, and then you will put a comma. If you will not put comma here, your marks will get cut. Okay, so you have to put comma here, dear father, and then comma here. D is also capital, F is also capital. After this, again you will leave one line. After writing dear father, leave one line, and you will start from here again. After leaving one line, again from the margin. Don't start writing from here or here. No, you will not do this. I am starting from here. You will be glad You will be glad to know that I'm writing fast, but you all write in a good handwriting, children. To know that I have, see, I'm not leaving any space after the margin. I have stood first in my class, okay, then full stop. I got distinction. Spelling should be correct, children. distinction. Distinction in, and again capital E, okay, English capital E, English and mathematics. If you don't means if you find the spelling of mathematics stuff, you can write Hindi, no problem. But please don't write wrong spelling, okay? The spelling of mathematics is with capital letter you start. M-A-T, mat. Then you write H-E, he. Again you write mat. And then you write I-C-S. This is the way of spelling, learning the spelling of mathematics. M-A-T, then H-E, he. Again M-A-T, and then I-C-S, okay? After that you put a full stop. Now I am in class 4. In class 4. I need some money to purchase, P-U-R-C-H-A-S-E, purchase new books, and then full stop. See, so this thing you have to write in a paragraph without leaving lines. You have to write, okay, you will start from here and then you will keep on writing till the end of the line, and then you will stop wherever it gets ended. You just put a full stop there. After this you will leave one line, okay, leave one line, and then you start from here. Please, capital P, please send me 600 rupees, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, R-U-P-E-E-S, rupees, full stop, okay. Again you have to leave one line, children. Please send me 600 rupees. No problem. If this ends in one line or two lines, there is no problem. But after completing, after rupees, you will leave one line, okay? And then you will start here. And now this Y should be there, children. Again, I am repeating, make this capital Y. Don't make this Y or any other Y, okay? Y should be this. Y-O-U-R-S, yours. Y-O-U-R-S, yours. Lovingly. This is small l, don't write loving, okay, lovingly, L-O-V-I-N-G-L-Y, lovingly, and after that you will put a comma, okay. Please, children, again pay attention while reading this one. Capital Y, this one Y, yours, Y-O-U-R-S, yours, L-O-V-I-N-G-L-Y, lovingly, small l is there. After this comma, this is very important, yours lovingly, and here you will write your name, okay. And don't write full name because it is an informal letter. You are writing to your father doesn't call you by full name. Suppose if your name is suppose Aman Agarwal, okay. So your father doesn't call you na Aman Agarwal, he calls you Aman, right. So you will just write the first name. So just write here A-M-A-N, Aman. See, don't leave space here. See, children, anywhere you will not find space here, okay. So just after this margin you write Aman, and don't put any full stop here, no full stop. After writing name you will leave it as it is, okay, no leaving of space. So children, this is the correct format of your letter and you have to follow this only. In this way if you write, you will get the full marks. So I hope it is clear to you now. Thank you.